Is it recording? This is a Kinder Surprise egg, and I found it in California in a Podunk gas station, and I'm going to open my Kinder Surprise egg. See? Wow. I wonder what's in it. Okay, ready? The kids always split them open, so. It's a yellow one, which from my understanding watching YouTube videos means it's not a new one. Okay. Ready? How do you open them? It is a seal. Check it out.
Wow, $3.50 well spent.
Get off my video. Video on.
That's cute.
Okay.
That is very cute.
And it comes with a little pamphlet. And how much do you want to bet Connor's favorite part will be this part?